Good morning, students. In our today's English literature class, let's proceed from where we have left in our previous class. We are in the final part of the chapter running, that was of Anil Kumble, and the name of the chapter was that is Bowling for Nature. Sorry, it was Bowling for Nature, not Running for Nature. It was Bowling for Nature. Let's proceed from where we have left it out. We have seen over here that our reporter is asking some questions from Anil Kumble and what sort of answers are given by him. Reporter: you also served on Karnataka Wildlife Board. What was that like? I'm very grateful to Karnataka government to have been given the opportunity to serve on the board. Kumble answers that he was very fortunate and grateful to government of Karnataka for giving him this opportunity. I thoroughly enjoyed my stint and was pleased to have driven some commendable initiatives during the tenure period. He said he was very proud and happy that he has started some sort of work, initiative. We are able to substantially increase the wildlife protected area from 3.8% to 5.2%, making Karnataka the only state to increase its protected area coverage in India. He also says that the protected area coverage of Karnataka has been increased from 3.8% to over 5.2% during his tenure, during his period of work. With lot more protected cover being added, we were able to give far more relevance to sanctuaries, conservation reserves and national parks. He says that with more work and initiative, we have done a lots of work regarding sanctuaries and national parks and wildlife. Next question asked by the reporter: wildlife tourism is boon or ban? What answer is given by Kumble? The primary role of the forest department is protection, and majority of the time should go towards ensuring the habitat is protected. Over here, the foremost work or the primary work of the forest department is the protection of wildlife. However, currently a significant amount of time is spent on managing tourism and related issues. He also says that a lot of time is invested for tourism and this sorts of issues. Hence, I strongly feel that the tourism aspect of the forest department needs both a separate wing as well as specialist skill set. Tourists do add a conservation problems at times, hence far greater awareness is needed to reduce the damage. Awareness reduces by the tourists to reduce the damages done to the wildlife conservation or to the wildlife. That is why I believe a separate force will be able to enforce and regulate tourism activity much more effectively, which in turn will enhance conservation as well as tourism experiences. He said our force should be entitled to look into the matter of tourism. Which is your favorite national park? Reporter asked, which is the national favorite park for you? It is difficult to pick one. However, by virtue of the fact that both Bandipur and Kabani are closer to home, these two are closer to his hometown, I visited them more. Kanha is another favorite. In essence, I can't name one, but just love for the forest image. He said he can't name a single sanctuary or forest or wildlife sanctuary which he loves. He said there are a lot more which I can't mention. As a youth icon, how do you connect with the youth and inspire them towards wildlife conservation? This question is asked by the reporter, and the answer given by Kumble was, whenever I get a chance to interact with the youth, I urge them to venture out, especially into jungles, to watch and identify butterflies, birds and their species. School and college students must observe biodiversity on their campuses means students should observe wildlife closely. They should support conservation. As a vice chairman of the State Wild Board, I got the opportunity to interact with people guarding our forest, right from the watcher and forest guard to the top officials of the forest department. He said, as the vice chairman of the State Wildlife Board, I got to interact from the bottom to the top people indulged in that department. These forest guards are real unsung heroes. These forest guards are the heroes which we never talk about whom we never talk about. Any memorable experiences in the wild? The question asked by the reporter. There have been many memorable events. In fact, every occasion has been challenging. He said lots of memorable memories are there. I had a chance to photograph a real changeable hawk, eagle, pick its prey in Kanha. He has seen, an eagle endangered species. He saw pick him his prey in Kanha. I got to click a tiger with its kill in Ranthambore. Ranthambore is also a wildlife sanctuary. A leopard coming down a tree very close by was also very memorable. So these all are the memorable events or memories remembered by Anil Kumble during his wild experiences in wildlife. To finish this revision over here, we'll proceed further with our next revision in our next revision class. Till then,